Come on, the storm's here. Got another storm, guys. Coming in.
Come on, come on.
Alex needs to get in here. Storm's coming. It's gonna be pretty good too. Really dark over there. Go get a look. Coming in. Oh, check it out, swirling up there. Swirling. We got over here. Got lightning. Got storms coming in. In the car. Nah.
I gotta go drop some shit off real quick.
All that stuff. It's here. Better get out of it. Mama's driving me nuts. Like storms. Yeah, got another one. Check it out over here. Going in. Look out. Man. Blow that tree over. Do not blow that tree over. Lightning. Be pretty loud. Just a second. Oh, heavy winds. Thunder. Talking about Texas storms don't play. Oh man, big flash. Holy crap. Damn. Oh man. Strong winds right there. 30-40 mile an hour gusts. Be another one. Just starting now. The storm just got here. Storm. Get hot. Follow up with some lightning. Man. It's crazy. Calm down. It's gonna come again. Dragging stuff off. What the hell is this? Some more lightning right there. Called it. Wind. Storm coming from the west tonight. Travis County. Possible hail. That's a tornadic. Frequent lightning. Man, it's probably 79 degrees. Went from 100 to 79 degrees. Oh man. That was bright. That was bright. There you go. The storm is announcing itself. It's here. This tree fell. This is it, y'all. Whoa. Another close one. There it is. Close one. Don't want to be struck by one of those. Alright. Got 5 minutes of storm here. And it calms down. And then it comes in again. That's crazy. Alright, man, I'm gonna get in. Let y'all check out some of the severe weather. Austin, Texas. Brother Nick, praying for you. Great breath. Oh man, another one. Holy crap. Oh man. I gotta get in, y'all. God bless you. Peace.